Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. In the first part of this video, we will modify the recipes list side view to show which recipes a logged in user has added to his favorites list. In the second part, we will create a new side view to manage the favorites list of the logged in user. This means the user can list only his favorite recipes and remove recipes from the favorites list using Ajax. Let's go directly to the first part to explain the problem we are going to solve. As you can see here, the user is logged in, but he can't distinguish which recipes are added to his favorites list because all the icons are white, while the favorite recipes icon should have a red color. Edit the component, go to the Labs and Helpers tab, add this function to the PHP helper site class section. Let's start by adding this helper function to get the user favorite recipes. The function returns an associative list of the user favorites recipe IDs in case the user is logged in. Otherwise, it returns null. We will call this function in the recipes dynamic get, specifically in the custom script tab before getting the items, such that each recipe item will be checked against the associative list. This is a calculated value, so it will be processed in the Abacus tab. If the recipe ID is found, then a new attribute will be added to the item object. The attribute named is fav, and its value is favorite. If the recipe item exists in the user's favorite list. Otherwise, the value will be empty. This attribute will be used as a CSS class. Go to the Custom Script tab to call the function. Add this line to call the function and create the associative list. Save. Next, edit the recipes side view to add the new attribute to the CSS class of the heart icon. Remember, this new attribute is a calculated value. Save. Compile and update the component. Let's have a look at the recipes model to find out where the calculated value is added. Now refresh to test. It is working. As you can see, the favorite recipes have red heart icons. Let's log in with another user to make sure it is working. Great! All is working well and the first part is completed. Congratulations! Okay, to create the user favorite list view, we will copy the recipes list dynamic get and side view. Actually, the user favorite list is a recipes list filtered by the user. Let's start by the dynamic get. Copy and modify the values as you can see on the screen. Add a join with the favorites database table. Remove the preparing time filters and change the category filter to be the user filter. We don't need these sections, as long as all the recipes are already added to the user favorites list. Save and close. Next, copy the recipes side view to create the user favorite list side view. Modify the values as you can see on the screen. Select the favorite list as the main dynamic get. Remove the filter section. Add the favorite CSS class to show the heart icons in red color. Go to the JavaScript tab to remove the preparing time filter. We don't need to update the counter in this side view, because clicking the icon here will remove the recipe card from the view. Let's remove the PHP code we no longer need. Save and close. Let's add the new favorite recipes view to the component side views. We need to be able to create menu items for this view. Save and close. Compile and install. As you can see, the new favorite recipes view is added to side views. Next, create the user favorites menu item. Set the access level to registered. Save and close. Login to test. Seems there is a bug. Let me use the debugger to find out what caused the SQL error. Why it returns false? Okay, it expects an array of user IDs, while it should be only one user ID. Let me fix it. This problem should be in the newly created dynamic get filters. To fix it, I have to change the comparison operator to equal instead of in. Save, compile and update. Refresh to see if it is solved. Ouch, another problem here. It is syntax error this time. Most likely it is a problem in the view files. Let me check. Yes, the editor shows an error in the default.php file. This is an else without if clause. Let me copy it from the original recipes view. Save, compile and install the update. I wish no more errors appear. Well, the error in default PHP is fixed. Let's remove these breakpoints. Great! It is working now and only the recipes added to the user's favorite list are displayed. Clicking the heart icon should remove the recipe from the favorites list, but it is not working again. Maybe a JavaScript error? No errors in the console. Let's review the JavaScript code one more time. Here it is. A dot is missing before the class name. Okay, let's try again to remove recipes from the favorites list. Great, all is working now. Let me add some recipes again to the favorites list. Very good, all is working well. I think we are finished. You will find in the description a link to all the code snippets we used in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will make sure to answer them as much as I can. Like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe to be notified when the next video is published. See you in the next video. Bye.